Hello there, golf cart lovers. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the top 7 mistakes to avoid when buying a used golf cart. Whether you're looking for an affordable option or just a hobby vehicle, there are some critical pitfalls to watch out for to ensure you don't end up with a lemon. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Ignoring the condition of the batteries. Batteries are one of the most expensive components in a golf cart, so don't overlook them. The average cost to replace them can range from $600 to $1,200. Check the age of the batteries, usually stamped with a code on the lead post. Be on the lookout for signs like corrosion, leaks, or swelling, which can indicate they're near the end of their lifespan. If they're over 5 years old, you might be looking at an extra expense down the road to replace them. Mistake number 2. Skipping a thorough frame and suspension inspection. The frame and suspension are the foundation of any cart's performance. A rusted or weakened frame can lead to major problems down the line. Look especially at the frame under the battery compartment, as acid leakage can cause corrosion here. Aluminum frames don't rust like steel, but still need inspection for signs of white oxidation. Pay attention to the suspension, tires, and alignment issues, which can lead to handling problems on the road. Mistake number 3. Not taking a test drive. You'd never buy a car without a test drive, right? Same goes for golf carts. Testing it out helps you detect handling issues like steering alignment, wobbling, or odd noises. Unusual sounds like grinding or clicking may signal problems with the axle, brakes, or other components. Pay attention to how the cart accelerates, brakes, and turns. These are the signs of a well-maintained or problematic cart. Mistake number 4. Overpaying for brand or overlooking model history. Brand matters. Well-known brands like Yamaha, Club Car, and E-Z-Go are generally reliable, with parts that are easier to source and affordable to repair. Avoid no-name brands with limited support, as parts may be scarce or expensive. And don't forget to research the specific model's history. For example, some models are known for electrical issues or specific part failures that can be costly in the long term. Mistake number 5. Failing to check for warranty options or buying as is. If possible, avoid buying as is, since it usually means no warranty or guarantee. A reputable dealer will offer a short-term warranty, covering at least some components, which adds peace of mind. If the cart doesn't come with a warranty, you're accepting full responsibility for any repairs. Always ask about this before you commit. Mistake number 6. Not reviewing the maintenance history. Just like any vehicle, golf carts require regular maintenance to ensure they run smoothly and reliably. When buying a used golf cart, it's essential to ask the seller for a detailed maintenance history, covering routine services like oil changes for gas-powered models, battery maintenance, brake repairs, and any other essential upkeep. A golf cart with little to no service history might seem like a bargain, but it could be hiding costly problems from neglect, such as worn-out brakes, a weak battery, or issues with the electrical or mechanical components. A solid maintenance record is a good indication that the previous owner took care of the cart, potentially saving you from unexpected repairs and giving you confidence in the cart's overall reliability. Additionally, a complete history may highlight any recurring issues, which can be a red flag if a problem has required frequent repairs. Mistake number 7. Forgetting to factor in local laws and accessories. Before buying, research local regulations, especially if you plan to drive the cart off the course. Some areas have specific requirements like seat belts, lights, or turn signals for street-legal carts. Also, don't get too caught up in flashy accessories that can drive up the price without adding much value. Focus on a solid base model and prioritize practical add-ons only if you need them. Thanks for watching. Buying a used golf cart can be a great way to save money, but only if you're cautious and know what to look for. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you found this helpful and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy cart hunting. See you next time.